Hello everybody, this is Katya. Of course, I'm your favorite Nordstrom beauty stylist, and today I'm gonna show you anniversary set from TRISH MCEVOY, which one is $275 only, but value for this set, for all the stuff what's inside, it's close to $700. Again, it's a limited edition set, it's some colors, it's limited edition. Of course, I'm gonna show you how to use all these products, and I smiling. Do you know why? It's 1 o'clock in the morning and I'm shooting this video just for you, because it is limited edition. This set will sell like in 1-2 days. Remember, it's only exclusive again for Nordstrom. DM me, text me, message me, I will send you home free shipping. But please support me again, 1 o'clock in the morning. Please give me a like, subscribe, and let's start. Let me show you first what colors, how many items inside, because it's a lot. And then of course I use all these products on me and I feel fabulous, amazing. Just take me somewhere at 1 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I'm just really happy with this look. You can see I'm smiling again, girls. Love you more than ice cream, and let's start. I really want to show you this set really close. We have with you nine beautiful eyeshadow. We have matte here, we have a sparkly, we have shimmer. You can use this as an eyeliner. Also, you do have a brown eyeliner, and it's my favorite, aubergine. It's a beautiful gel eyeliner. Then we have a full size long wearing bare nude lip liner, and of course this is full size. Then let me show you this beautiful pink light eye brightener. It's one of my favorite. Cream bronze. Amazing new product from TRISH MCEVOY. Yeah, can you see this? You have a beautiful nude pink color, then you have a nude pink lip gloss, instant eye lift. This is of course your eye brightener, and you can use as a concealer, eyeshadow, primer, bare. Then this is, and yes, I forgot to mention, it's a brand new lip glosses, brand new lipstick. Look at how beautiful this lipstick for fall and lip gloss. Woohoo! Liquid blush, mascara, and if you not yet know about anything about this mascara, this is your tubing mascara, and it's high volume. It's a very small tiny brush. I really like use on my low lashes. And look at this beautiful makeup bag with butterfly. Okay, yes, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm just applying a little bit foundation on me, and now we're gonna use all these TRISH MCEVOY products behind me. I will teach you step by step. Let's use first two cream products, which one we have in this collection. I'm gonna use instant eye lift. Yes, will brighten my eye area. Put in here in corner, right here in corner, right here, and it's have like a color adjust, I'll say benefit. I don't know about you, but I love this product on me today a lot. Now let's use cream bronze. This is such an amazing creamy texture. I know, like, it goes so beautiful, smooth. You have like some little bit blurry effect. I love this bronze. And I have a small TRISH MCEVOY brush. Just gonna little bit apply, and I'm gonna apply this bronze very close to my hairline, and you can see I kind of pushing this product again up close to my hairline. Then I'm gonna apply a little bit right here for facelift. Now I have a small tiny brush and I'm gonna use again this cream bronze, and I'm gonna very little bit contour my nose. I contour my nose and maybe it's a little bit not look smooth. What I do, I have my beauty blender. I'm just gonna slightly, little bit, I have little bit foundation, just go all over and will look way more natural. I have not aggressive, it's just so smooth and very natural looking. But did I contour my nose? Yes. After contouring my nose, I like to put little bit instant eye lift, and now I'm gonna use my little beauty blender and I'm just gonna little bit soft this. That's it. My contour nose is done. Okay, so far we use with you two products. Now it's time to use liquid blush. I apply my liquid blush on my hand, little bit in beauty blender, and I'm just gonna apply little bit above my bronze. It's very soft blush. It's usually will give me more like a glow, very natural, very soft glow. I feel I want a little bit more color, and because this don't have a blush like powder blush, I'm gonna use, believe me not, this lipstick. Yes, you can use any lipstick is your blush, and I apply it again on my hand. Then I'm using little bit beauty blender and I'm just gonna apply, because this liquid blush give me color, but it's very little. It just more give me this glow, but I need little bit more color, and I'm just gonna apply this lipstick on top. Oh yes, very pretty. And because I already show you this lipstick, let me show you swatch. Oh, it's a very beautiful lip color. Then of course this lip collection has this beautiful pale pink lip color, and let me show you this lip color too on my hand. It's very hard to kind of see it, but it is beautiful, again, pale bubbly pink. Oh, decide to put this pale lipstick just a little bit to hydrate my lips. Now I have a big powder brush from TRISH MCEVOY, and I'm gonna use this transparent transparent powder, just little bit set my makeup, because I want my makeup stay all day long. And little bit more transparent powder, I'm gonna just put a little bit on my nose, setting instant eye lift. Again, if you look at my nose, it's not like you truly see, oh my god, she contoured her nose, everybody noticeable. No, it's very soft, it's very natural, it just looks like very cute. Now I have a big TRISH MCEVOY bronzing brush, and I'm gonna use this beautiful bronze just like this, scroll, and I'm gonna go little bit more right here underneath. Oh, so pretty. I'll be honest with you, I like both these bronzes, but I wish she just will say it's already good, and cream is good. I will say, hi, give us a cream and just accept these ones, give us a blush, right? But oh well, I show you how you can use lipstick and you do have a liquid blush. And now what we need to do, use eyebrow pencil. I'm gonna use TRISH MCEVOY eyebrow pencil brunette, just little bit, fill my brows, and then I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from TRISH MCEVOY, and then we're gonna apply a little bit eyeshadow. This don't have eyebrow pencil. This is I purchased a long time ago, and I do like it's very good quality. What it means, it's time for you to come to see me at Nordstrom Tampa and say, Katerina, I want a set and I want eyebrow pencil. I know, my skin looks beautiful, I look young, I still have more products to show you. It's amazing deal. Okay, now I'm gonna use eyeshadow primer from TRISH MCEVOY color Bear, and this is really neutral. It's #1 selling color from them, and I do like Bear and I like another color Sand, but because we have this beautiful eye brightener, and if you not yet have this product, if you do not want to buy whole entire set, I'm telling you, you should buy at least this one product, because if you're a girl, makeup no makeup, you must have this. Okay, I'm gonna use TRISH MCEVOY cream, it's number 66, sorry, cream blender brush. I love this brush, it's synthetic brush. We're gonna use eyeshadow primer, and then I'm gonna show you how I use this eye brightener. Eyeshadow primer, it's done, and now it's time to use this eye brightener. This eye brightener I like to use under my brow bone for extra lift, and I'm gonna use same brush number 66, and I'm gonna just little bit small. And now it's time for me to use this amazing eyeshadow palette. I bring camera a little bit more close. I want you to see how I use, how I apply. I have a TRISH MCEVOY brush, and I like this light color. We're gonna use this first, like it's a matte peachy color, and I basically gonna set right now my eyeshadow primer. Okay, this is your first step. Now I'm gonna use this color. Will be my middle color, second color, and I'm gonna use right here on the corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna push this color up. You can see this is my suckle area, and right here suckle area, and I little bit pushing up. Wow, look at how beautiful goes this eyeshadow. So it looks so soft. If you don't want to do anything else, this is already beautiful. You can just put little bit eyeliner, mascara, and you're good to go to work. Again, I'm just finishing applying second eye, and we have with you only two colors so far. Very soft, very natural, and I love this matte look. I have a flat brush, and we're gonna use this beautiful color. I really want you to see these colors. It's so beautiful, like unbelievable. Wow, guys, look at this quality, look at this color. Again, I will suggest use flat brush for this eyeshadow, but they're so beautiful. And now it's time for me to use this darker color, applying very little because it's very intense. You can use this darker colors either your eyeliner Or you can use this as the eyeshadow, and I put on my brush and I use in my hand little bit to remove products, and I'm gonna apply little bit right here in the corner, and just kind of like a circle buffer, pushing products up. This eyeshadow palette looks incredible. I am so happy. It's worth every single penny. I'm gonna just little bit blend on corners, then with big blending brush I'm gonna again use this peach color, and I'm gonna apply little bit underneath to make my eye a little bit bigger. Now I have a small tiny brush, and I'm gonna use this color, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes. And then we have with you this beautiful purple color, and I'm gonna apply right now this purple color on top of this brown eyeshadow. It looks so pretty. Time to use a big blending brush, and I'm just gonna slightly little bit everything small and blend here. Now I have another small tiny brush from TRISH MCEVOY, and we're gonna use this lighter color in this palette. And I'm gonna use this light color right here in the corner. Now I'm gonna use eyeliner, gel eyeliner from TRISH MCEVOY, and I'm gonna apply very close to my lashes underneath. I apply eyeliner only underneath, and I decide, you know what, I just turned 45, I wanna look young and flirty. I wanna make like I have a lot of makeup. I don't wanna look heavy. Remember, TRISH MCEVOY, she like very natural look, and I'm gonna finish this eye look with her mascara, high volume mascara. Remember, it's a tubing mascara. Can look at one my eye and another. Let me finish, but look at this volume. Oh my god, I love this look. My eyes so beautiful, pop. I really like these details. I apply in brown eyeshadow, and then I apply a little bit purple. I'm not sure if it's in camera you can see or not, but it's beautiful. And now let's do my lips. I'm gonna use lip liner from this palette, and it's named Bare Nude. I'm gonna apply first, and then we'll see which one lipstick I want to use. Maybe I will use both of them and I will mix. And remember, we have a beautiful two lip glosses. Okay, lip liner done, and you know what, I decided I'm gonna go with this little bit darker lip color. It's a brand new lipstick, and it's elegant. Ooh, color elegant, so pretty. Now I'm gonna use this darker lip gloss, and it's color Lover. It's actually slightly a little bit softer than lipstick. And I actually really like it. Look at my lips, look at my eyes, look at my skin. Ooh, red carpet waiting for me. Girls, if you like this video, please give me a like, subscribe, come to see me in Nordstrom Tampa, and yes, absolutely love, 100% approve, 275 for all these beauty products. It's only at Nordstrom, it's only for anniversary, it is limited edition. Let's shop, DM me, call me, reach me, see you in Tampa.